Hi there, my name is Sayed. Welcome to the video. And in this video, we will be discussing professional resume writing tips, some of the resume writing tips and tricks. So let's get started. So let's take a look at the short resume. Do you want to write short resume? Do you want to write long resume? Let's discuss this quickly. So if you're a student and going to the college, you might heard from the counselor or from different people that you have to write short resume. What if that is we will discuss further that if you want to write short resume or not. If you do not have experience, maybe that is then you can have one page resume. Because you do not have experience, you can write information in that on one page. But what if student have some kind of experience and they're starting their journey in the job market? You can have your resume as lengthy as possible if you have more experience and you can showcase it. So you don't need to follow the norm, and you can write as much detail in that. So when to write long resume, let's take a look at it. So a painting half full, that is the one example. That if you have a painting in displaying in some kind of museum or art gallery, you do not want to hide half painting and showcase it. That will not look good. So same thing goes for your resume. You need to showcase your resume in a full, whatever you have designed and you have painted, you need to display. Same thing for your resume. You need to display everything you have done and whatever experience you have. So write everything in your resume. So let's take a look at the so that myth is not true that you need to write your resume short. So same example, if you go to a store and you see a half store is hidden somewhere, you cannot see the merchandise, would you buy it? If you cannot see, you cannot buy, right? Same thing for your resume. So let's take a look at it in more 6 powerful words for your resume. So you can use these words in between some of your bullet points, or you can start your sentence with that. So let me show you some example of these words. For example, coordinated, experience, worked on. So let's take a look at coordinated. So you can start your sentence in the coordinated development work with the development team. So you can write coordinated, and after that you can write sentence. So you can say coordinated test order scenario with QA team. So you get the idea that you can start your sentence with that. So that will make it much more professional looking bullet point, and you can showcase this in your resume. It's something. So these are the example. You can take a look at it and write after that coordinated and write whatever you have done. So same thing goes for your experienced. This one more word you can use, experienced in coordination of development work with the development team. If you see this, I have used experienced and coordinated both at the same time. And but you can also you do that. You can have multiple words in your resume that will make it stand out. You can say experienced in sales, or you can pretty much have start your sentence experienced in whatever you have experienced. You can write your sentences like that. And so you use this example, experienced in. So that's it for this video. If you would like to get a resume coaching session, please check the link below in the video description. And so thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.